Okay, welcome everybody. Today we got the Armadillo for G.I. Joe. A little mini tank. It was a little, we call it, sort of accessory vehicle, I guess. It's not, it does have a, they did have a sticker on the front, but pretty simple build. Let's say little turret there, pops out, got lock in place. I guess mud or something down in there. I just noticed that. Something spilled in there. But this was not a huge toy. I don't remember playing with it much. It seems familiar to me, but it's not one. It was not one of my main toys, I don't believe. Typical axle, wheels underneath the treads, so it does actually rolls pretty good. Got a couple of pegs back here to stand 2 extra figures in addition to the driver. Cannons up and down. Of course, the turret spins until it hits that lock thing. It goes about 180, probably 178, so it doesn't do that. There's stickers and everything around it. Not, pretty straightforward, simple little fun toy. This was a cheap one. I don't even know if I told you. I found a picture of the box. It only had 2 flag points, so you got 1 more flag point than for buying an action figure for buying this one. So it's really must have been a really cheap one. It's one of those things where I just, I got my allowance and I couldn't not spend it. These little guys were, they were almost disposable. I'm surprised this one survived. Let's say it's looking at it now as an adult, it's a cool little tank, little fun thing, which I don't have any of my Joes up here to stick in. I think I took them all downstairs, so none handy. But I say it was, let's see, 1985 Hasbro Bradley Inc. Didn't know about that partnership or whatever there. Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's pretty straightforward. You got your tub, snaps onto the top part, then the turret pops in there. And of course, the bar pops on there too. You see where it came through. Okay, it looks like the turret was actually 2 pieces as well. Looks like it goes. It's snapping those in place, and it's got some ribs in there. In close view, will focus on that to sort of keep them stabilized. Have that very internal bit down in there. Doesn't make the click 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 sound or feel, but it, like I say, it evidently does sort of to hold it in place. Yeah. There we go. Say not much to that one, but there we go. That's the Armadillo. Thanks for watching. Obviously, evidently 3 videos a week is too much for me, so I'm going to shift to just trying to do them on Tuesday and Thursday. Hopefully that'll work out better for the scheduling. But anyway, thanks for watching. Come back on Thursday. I'll dig something else out of the toy box.